Good day, ma'am. I want to present my report about cells on MS Excel. My name is Carl Reynard Eustachio. What is cell on MS Excel? The cell are the boxes you see in the grid of an Excel worksheet. Like this one, each cell is def- define, identified on a worksheet by its reference on column letter and row number that intersect at the cell's locations. Location this cell is on column D and row 5. So it is cell D5. That columns always comes first in a cell reference. Part of cells. Part of cells on MS cell. Insert button. Insert button with drop down. That button always insert cells in the current selection. Shift cell down the drop down content the command insert cell, insert sheet rows and insert sheet columns and insert sheet. Delete. Bottom with drop down that bottom always delete that current selection. Shift cells up the drop down content that commands delete cell, delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns, and delete sheet. From format, drop-down provide us assortment and useful command and apply to rows, columns, and sheet. The drop-down content that commands row high, autofill row high, column width, autofill column width, default width, hide and unhide, rename sheet, move or copy sheet, tab color, protect sheet, lock cell, and format cells, and the hide and unhide extension content that commands high rows, high columns, high sheet, unhide rows, unhide columns, and unhide sheet. Example of insert cell.
Hello guys, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo kung paano ginagamit si insert. First, pindutin si insert at insert cell. Ang insert cell is isa lang siya na column. And sa insert sheet row naman, siya yung sa mga rows. At yung columns, ito yon mga columns. At yung insert sheet, magkakaroon siya ng isang sheet. Ito siya.
And sample of insert cells. Insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, and insert sheet. Sample of na sample of delete.
At ito po ang example ng delete. Meron pong delete cells, delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns, and delete sheet. Ang purpose po ng delete cell is 1 lang po. And ang delete po ng rows ay pa ganun. And delete po ng columns pababa. And delete po ng sheet A sa ito po. Example po yun pag-delete ng sheet. Ayan po siya. Ganun po ang paggamit ng delete.
Sample of delete cells. We have delete cell, delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns, and delete set sheet. Sample of format cells.
Ito po ang example ng format. Ano nga ba po ba ang nilalaman ng format? Ang nilalaman po ng format ay ito po. Ang visibility po ay ito po ang gamit niya, hide and unhide. For example, ito po, i-hide po natin si row. Yan po, na-hide lang po siya. Then, sa ano naman po is, sa column, ma-hide po ang ito, pababa. Ayan po siya, ma-hide na po siya. Then, sa unhide naman po is ito. Yan po, unhide na po siya. Yung row na yun. At ito po, unhide ng column. Yung kanina po na, in-unhide po natin pababa. Yan po siya. Then, yung unhide po ng sheet. For example, gumawa po tayo ng insert sheet. Then, unhide po natin yun. I-hide po natin si sheet. Yan po siya, na-hide na po siya. Unhide po natin. Ayun po ang ng ang purpose ng hide and unhide. And punta po tayo kung paano po i-protect si cell. For example, edit subject. For example, si row. Si row lang po yung i-ano natin. Po-protect. Tingnan. Okay. Okay. Ayan po siya. Mapoprotect na po siya. And kung gusto nyo po hindi po ulit i-protect, i-unprotect sheet natin po siya. And password. Ganun lang po siya. Kapag type ulit tayo, ganun po i-protect ang ating cell. Ayun lang po, maraming salamat. Ito po ang example of format cell. Ayan po siya. And all done. Thank you po. This is my report. Thank you.